Welcome back to part 3. Today we are going to continue creating the 3D sketch which is necessary in creating weldments. So this was the part that we created last time. This is the inlet chute and this is the platform. We are going to create the 3D sketch for the weldment feature. So just click the sketch, click this arrow, drop down, and you can see we have here 3D sketch. So select this 3D sketch and select line. You can see you have this icon. It means we are on the sketch mode. Now we insert line from this point downward. This point do convert entities. See, we have created the line. I want to delete this one. Delete and delete. So this line should be connecting from this point up to this point. And also we have another line connecting this point to this point. You can see we have here add relation, so I want it to go direction along x. Well, depending on the plane you selected when you created the sketch, you might select a different plane, so careful on adding relation. For example, if I add this relation along y, it will highlight the line colored red. It means there is a error. So we are going to delete that one, and instead we're going to select along x and accept. Now you can see the line is fully defined. Okay, we add more sketch. So now I'm going to define this one, this line. This is 1500 millimeter. I'm going to add more lines. This one. Actually, this is just only 1050, and this is 1500. Even I don't click the units, by default, this is in millimeter. You can see on the status bar, this is in millimeter. So it means even I don't put dimension, by default, it is recognizing it as millimeters. Let's add more lines. This line and this line. From this point, we have a line here. So let's define this first. So this line should be equal to this line. Select line, control, and select the other line, and add relation, again equal. Again, select this line, control, select this point, make it coincident. And select this line, and select this control, select this line again, then equal relation. Okay, see the line is now fully defined. Let's create another line here. I want this line to be tangent on this surface. So just select the line, control, and select this face. Then select on plane and accept it. Now you can see the line is now tangent. So let's add more lines to complete the column. One more line. Okay, so let's define this. Select this line, hold control, select this line, hold control, and select this line. See, I can select 3 lines or even more. Then if I'm going to select this equal, then all lines will be equal in length. Okay, just accept it. And we're going to add more lines below for connecting to this point, to this line, and to this line. See, the line is not fully defined. It means it is not actually along the x direction. You just click the line and add relation along x. And see, we have now the fully defined line. And we're going to add more line connecting from this point to this point, and from this point. Oh no, we're not going to place a line there. I think we are going to simply place a straight line from this point. And on this point, you just click this one and this one. Okay, we need to add more. So we need to reinforce this one. This will be supporting the weights of the crates loaded with unsorted tomato. So we have to reinforce it. So I think that's all. Click this icon to end the etch sketch mode. See, we have now created the 3D sketch. So next, we are going to use weldment features to be able to place a tubular along this line. You can see on the command manager, I have here the weldment features. Again, if you don't see on your screen, for example, I'm going to enable the weldments. Place your cursor along the command manager and right click. You see this option, tap, expand, and you, let's say I am going to uncheck the weldments. You see there is no weldment, so you just place your cursor here again, right click, go to tab, and expand. Now just select these weldments. Okay, now you can see the weldments is back on the command manager. Okay, so I select structural member. Then you can see we have here several options. We have the ISO, we have also JIS, we have ANSI inch. These are actually standards, but in this case, I'm going to select the ISO standard, and I'm going to select the square tube, and I'm going to use 40 by 40 by 40 millimeter. It means 40 mm by 40 mm, and the thickness is 4 mm. I'm going to select this one. Okay, then I'm going to select this line, this line, this line, and this line. Okay, you see there is a preview of the tubular. Then we're going to create a new group. This time I'm going to select this one, this line, this line, this line, this line, this line. I don't know if you can select this one. I think we don't. Okay, so and this line. Okay, Now we are going to position the tubular. So if you scroll down below, you have here locate profile. Just click this one and you can see some of the dots on the sketch profile. So just select any of those points. For example, I'm going to select this one. You see the weldment profile automatically adjusts. So that's what we're going to select. And after that, we are going to create new group again. So I select line, this line, and this line. And again, I'm going to locate the profile. For each group, you can position the weldment profile. So again, locate profile, and it will show me this. This is the sketch profile. So I just want to select this one, the midpoints, and again, it automatically adjusted. That's what we want. We accept that and create another group. I want to create other line. I Then we're going to locate profile again. So we select this point. So you see the weldment profile is being positioned the way we want to be. Then create new group again and select this sketch and position the profile, locate profile again. And again, I'm going to look for the point, this one. Okay. See, the weldment is now in place. Then create another group. I want weldment on this portion and locate profile again. I'm going to select this one. Okay. And new group. This time I select this one, and this point. I'm going to locate the profile again, but this time I'm going to create from this midpoint. Okay. We have few more lines. Again, new group. Select this line. And I think the position is okay. We just accept that. And again, new group. We want to create another line through these lines and this line. I'm going to locate the profile, select this point, the midpoint, this one. Notice you can see that the weldment preview is not aligned. So you can also align it. For example, this one, you just select any of the line. For example, I'm going to align with this vertical line. So just select it. See, the weldment profile is now repositioned, and I think it is now positioned in the way we want it to be positioned. Okay, so we accept it and create the last group. Select this line and select this line. Again, go to alignment and I select this vertical line. And then we are going to locate the profile. I select this one. Okay. See, we have now completely created the development profile, so just accept it. All in all, we have created 10 groups. Or you can also explore, for example, you are not going to group them according to the way I group them. Well, you can explore them after this. But first, you need to follow the groupings that I created. So I accept this. You can see the weldment profile is now completed. Hide this one. Right click on this 3D sketch and you can see this hide icon. Just click this one. Now you don't see the 3D sketch. That's how we create the weldment profile using a SolidWorks. So I end here and I hope you learned something. I see you again from the next lecture. Thank you very much for joining me again on this lecture series. Just in case you have some comments or queries, feel free to add them on the comment section and I will respond them accordingly. Thank you.